It's getting colder. It's about -3 Celsius outside now, so need to take the warmer jacket underneath the work jacket. Yeah, let's go outside and try not to freeze. Okay, so the blade fits. Now just need to take the paint off from here, and then we can weld it on. Okay, day number 8, I think. I think I'm gonna take the front bumper off. Where is small screws? Need to check from internet.
So 4 nuts hold this slam panel on the front end of the van.
Okay, so take the 4 bolts and this one first out. Then I can take the bumper out. Okay, let's see. Size, maybe 13. What is this? Let's take the other one, the smaller one. Okay, so this is the last bolt. Yes, it opened. Yeah, it's frozen. There's like a rubber seal in here between the bumper and the grille, and it's frozen. So this should come off now. Nice. Here are the bolts for the bumper. I think it's 13 millimeters. Need to open these two. Okay, let's try if they open. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Same here. Some penetrating oil. Okay, and then hope this one open as well. Yeah. This one actually is the exhaust for the diesel heater to the engine. We have a, I think it's 5 kilowatt heater. It's a Eberspacher. I guess 15. Yep, 15. Oh, nice. Yep. So I removed all the bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And there is the seal. And I think it's holding the bumper on the place. So I need to help it in here. On the side. Yep, it's coming. And this side also. Okay. The bumper is off. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? This one is the not so good one. Bracket. I need to make a new one. Some rust in here. This is the one that is badly rusted, so I need to make a new one. Okay, now the front bumper is off. Now I can see all the bits and pieces that have rust, and I can more easily remove the rust with sandblaster and wire brush wheel. And after that I can give a little cleanup and give it a paint. I usually give like 4 coats of the anti-rust paint. I think that would be enough. Next week, Christmas.